Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tech Time. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to find all the password that is saved on our phone. We log into some sites, our Instagram account, our Facebook account, our TikTok account. You can name them, any site that we log into. We can't keep all the passwords, so we sometimes forget. Let's go to settings on our phone. You can see Google services here. Google services here. Click on it. Click on manage your Google account. Then go to security. Security here. Click on it. You can see a lot of security features here. Two-step verification is off here. You need to turn it on, and also add a phone number to recover your account, and also security questions here. And we have find a lost device. You need to do that. Let's go down. You see your save passwords to all the accounts that you've opened on your phone is saved here. Not only your phone, but anywhere that you log in, your Gmail, we have it here. So let me type on here. When I type on it, you see, we can see a lot of sites that I have opened on this device. You can see I have AliExpress here, Adidas training workout here. I have my Betway here, DSTV is here, Facebook account is also here. See, we have my Pinterest here. So all these passwords are saved on the phone that some of us don't know. We have our Twitter here. So if you want to see any password saved on any account on your phone, so all the passwords are saved here. If you can see it, see, all the passwords are saved here. All the passwords are saved here. You can see the Samsung.com. We have the username and the password is saved here. So when you tap on it, you tap here, you tap on this, the eye over here, you see the password there. You can delete it from it. You can see other sites. So I have about 30 passwords saved on my Android device that some of us don't know about. So we have to check all those things. You see my Instagram account here. I have 2 Instagram accounts. The first one is here, the second one is here. You can see the name and the password here with the eye. When you hit on the eye, you can see the password there. So in case you've forgotten any account password that you are still looking for, I think this video is very useful for you. Thank you for watching. If this video is important to you, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification button, and also share, so that this will motivate me to give you more of these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.